sweetie. Need some eggs. Welcome back to McWilliams Heritage Folk School. Today we're going to be talking about how to determine if an egg is good or bad. So you live on a homestead and you're all pumped about the new chickens you got. You went out to collect eggs and you've developed a pretty good routine. But today you found an egg in a random spot. Maybe it was over in the corner of the hay mow. Has it been sitting there for 10 seconds or has it been sitting there for 3 months? Who knows? Because you're a homestead, you really don't want to waste anything. So you could just take your egg and feed it to the pigs, or you could check and see if it's good and you can use it in your omelet this morning. So today we're going to perform the float test. A good egg is going to sink all the way to the bottom and stay there. A bad egg is going to float all the way to the top. And an egg on its way from good to bad is going to hang out somewhere in between, bobbing back and forth. Folks, that's a good egg. So that's it. Now you know the difference between a good egg and a bad egg. If you like talking about this sort of thing, come on out to McWilliams Heritage Folk School, where we talk about good eggs all the time.